This is Sesimbra and the beautiful Arrábida National Park. Here you'll find golden beaches, turquoise water, dramatic cliffs, and some of the most iconic coastal roads in Portugal. In this guide, we'll explore Sesimbra, drive through the national park, stop at some incredible viewpoints, and relax at one of Portugal's most beautiful beaches. No complicated itineraries, no tourist traps, and no unnecessary detours. Sesimbra is a traditional fishing town located 40 kilometers south of Lisbon. The easiest way to visit is by car. From Lisbon, the drive takes about 45 minutes by car via the A2 highway. From Lisbon, you'll cross the Tagus River on the iconic and beautiful 25th of April bridge. And at the end of the bridge, you will find Christ the King statue overlooking the Tagus River. You can also visit Sesimbra using Lisbon's public transport. But if you want to really explore all the viewpoints in Arrábida National Park, having a car makes it a lot easier. For accommodation, staying near the beachfront is a very good option. Many hotels and apartments offer sea views, and you'll be within walking distance of restaurants, cafes, and the beach. The town itself is quite compact, making it easy to explore on foot. After check-in, it was time to head straight to the beach for a relaxing evening. While taking a dip in the calm blue water, it was easy to see why Sesimbra is such a hidden gem. Trying the fresh seafood in Sesimbra is a must. Do try their fresh swordfish and fried cuttlefish. Next morning, it's time to leave the town and hit the road again to explore the region. Our first viewpoint is this panoramic hilltop swing that offers an incredible unobstructed view of the entire bay and the endless Atlantic horizon. From here, you can also see the full stretch of Sesimbra Castle at a distance. We continued east through Arrábida National Park. This is easily one of the most scenic drives in Portugal. The roads wind through forest-covered hills with spectacular coastal views appearing around almost every corner. On one side, steep limestone cliffs rise above the road, and on the other, the Atlantic Ocean glows in shades of blue and turquoise that are often compared to tropical destinations. Take your time here. Many visitors rush through Arrábida, but the journey itself is one of its main attractions. There are several small viewpoints along the road, and nearly all of them are worth stopping for. One of the best viewpoints in the park is Miradouro de Portinho de Arrabida. From here, you get a clear view of the coastline and many beaches sheltered by the cliffs. The contrast of the green mountains and vibrant blue sea is stunning. And we kept continuing on the beautiful coastal roads to reach our next stop, which is Galapinhos Beach. After leaving the car at the dedicated parking, you have to do a 30 minutes hike to reach the actual Galapinhos Beach. The beach has been awarded as one of the most beautiful beaches in the world in multiple magazines. The water here is incredibly clear, calm, and perfect for swimming. What surprised me most was the number of fish swimming close to the shoreline. Even standing in shallow water, it was possible to see schools of fish moving around our feet. Compared to many larger beaches, Galapinhos Beach feels far more natural and secluded. And that's our no rubbish guide to Sesimbra and Arrábida National Park. In a single day, you can experience scenic coastal roads, impressive viewpoints, charming seaside towns, and some of the clearest water you'll find anywhere in Portugal. And if you're visiting Lisbon, this area makes for an excellent day trip or even a weekend escape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next No Rubbish travel guide. Please like, share, and subscribe.